My flash drive is gone.
Okay, that is every student's 5-minute nightmare.
Especially when the presentation screen is already glowing behind you.
You sound like this has happened to you.
Once, I found the file, but I also found 3 terrible old selfies.
A backup can save your presentation, not your dignity.
Fair. Today's story stays in one classroom, but the panic moves fast.
Listen for how Zoe and Ben solve a missing file problem together.
First, let's make the 3 keywords easy to remember.
Vocabulary preview.
The first word is flash drive.
Let's say flash drive together.
Again, flash drive.
One more time, flash drive.
A flash drive is a small device that stores computer files. People also call it a USB drive.
In the story, Zoe expects her presentation to be on a flash drive inside her pencil case.
You might carry photos or homework on a flash drive when you move files between computers.
Picture a tiny drive carrying a big pile of files in its little backpack.
So the flash drive is the device, not the presentation file itself, right?
Exactly. The presentation is the files drive is the small device carrying it. The next word is attachment.
Let's say attachment together.
Again, attachment.
One more time, attachment.
An attachment is a file sent with an email or message. It travels together with the email.
Zoe remembers that she emailed her presentation as an attachment the night before.
If your teacher sends a worksheet by email, the worksheet may be an attachment.
Think of a paperclip attaching one file to another message.
If I type words inside an email, are those words an attachment?
No, an attachment is a separate file added to the email, such as a document, photo, or slide deck. The final word is backup.
Let's say backup together.
Again, backup.
One more time, backup.
A backup is an extra copy you keep in case the first copy is lost, broken, or unavailable.
Zoe's emailed file becomes her backup when the flash drive seems to be missing.
A photo saved on both your phone and computer has a backup copy.
One copy can disappear. A backup means you still have another path.
Does moving my only copy into a different folder make it a backup?
No. A backup is an extra copy, so the same important file must still exist in another safe place.
We present in 10 minutes. Where is my flash drive?
Take a breath. I will open our notes while you look for it.
Notebook, water bottle, lunch, but where is the pencil case?
Check the side pockets. Maybe it slipped into one.
Nothing. I cannot find the pencil case either.
Okay, do not panic. Where else could the file be?
Wait, I sent myself a copy last night.
Great. Pull the school laptop closer.
If the copy is there, it can save the day.
Log in first. I will keep the presentation notes ready.
My password worked. Now I need to look for yesterday's email.
Search slowly enough to read the subject lines.
Found it. The presentation is an attachment.
All right. Open the attachment, then save a backup on the laptop.
Downloading now. I am not losing this file twice.
The first slide is on the projector. We figured it out.
And we still have 4 minutes. Better safe than sorry really works.
Your backup is officially the most prepared member of our group.
It can take the first slide. Our experiment asks which material keeps ice cold the longest.
Nice start. The new plan is working out.
We tested paper, cloth, and coil, then compared the results.
Great job. Now let us find that missing flash drive.
Oh, it was under the eraser in the pencil case the whole time.
Excellent. The flash drive attended the presentation from inside your bag.
What just happened?
The flash drive was in the bag the entire time.
It was not missing. It was simply committed to a quiet life under an eraser.
Apparently, the important part is that Zoe did not keep searching in the same place.
Right. They changed the problem and found a second path. Now let us practice 5 useful phrases.
Language takeaway.
Let us begin with a phrase for searching look for.
Let's say look for together.
Again, look for.
One more time, look for.
Look for means try to find someone or something. It focuses on the action of searching.
Zoe looks for the flash drive in her backpack and later looks for her email.
You look for your keys, look for a seat, or look for information online.
Remember, look for is the search. Find is the successful result.
If I am still searching, I look for it. What do I say after I succeed?
Then you found it. Look for describes the search, the successful result. Our next phrase helps you enter an account log in.
Let's say log in together.
Again, log in.
One more time log in.
Login means enter an account using a name, password, or another way to prove who you are.
Then tell Zoe to log in to the school laptop before opening her email.
You may log into a school website, a game, or an email account.
Login opens the digital door. Logout closes it when you finish.
Do we say log in the website?
Usually say log in to the website or log in to your account. The word to connects you to the place. Our next phrase is about solving a problem figure out.
Let's say figure out together.
Again, figure out.
One more time, figure out.
Figure out means find an answer by thinking, testing, or understanding the problem.
When the slides appear, Ben says they figured out how to solve the missing file problem.
You can figure out a math question, a bus route, or why an app is not working.
If the answer is not obvious, you think until you figure it out.
Can we figure out both an answer and a plan?
Yes, you can figure out an answer, figure out why something happened, or figure out what to do next. Here is another useful phrase, workout.
Let's say work out together.
Again, workout.
One more time work out.
In this story, workout means end successfully or produce a good result.
Ben says a new plan is working out while Zoe gives the presentation.
A schedule can work out, a group plan can work out, or a difficult day can work out well.
Here it does not mean exercise. The surrounding story tells you which meaning fits.
How can I tell whether workout means exercise or succeed?
Use the context. A person can work out at a gym, but a plan works out when it ends successfully. Our final phrase is better safe than sorry.
Let's say better safe than sorry together.
Again, better safe than sorry.
One more time, better safe than sorry.
Better safe than sorry means it is wiser to be careful now than regret a problem later.
Zoe says it after her email backup gives the group another copy of the slides.
Charge your phone before a trip because it is better safe than sorry.
Use it when one small careful step can prevent a much bigger problem.
When does better safe than sorry sound natural?
Say it before a possible problem, when a small precaution now could save you from regret later. Now let us listen to the complete story again.
This time, the words and phrases should feel easier to understand.
We present in 10 minutes. Where is my flash drive?
Take a breath. I will open our notes while you look for it.
Notebook, water bottle, lunch, but where is the pencil case?
Check the side pockets. Maybe it slipped into one.
Nothing. I cannot find the pencil case either.
Okay, do not panic. Where else could the file be?
Wait, I sent myself a copy last night.
Great. Pull the school laptop closer.
If the copy is there, it can save the day.
Log in first. I will keep the presentation notes ready.
My password worked. Now I need to look for yesterday's email.
Search slowly enough to read the subject lines.
Found it. The presentation is an attachment.
All right. Open the attachment, then save a backup on the laptop.
Downloading now. I am not losing this file twice.
The first slide is on the projector. We figured it out.
And we still have 4 minutes. Better safe than sorry really works.
Your backup is officially the most prepared member of our group.
It can take the first slide. Our experiment asks which material keeps ice cold the longest.
Nice start. The new plan is working out.
We tested paper, cloth, and coil, then compared the results.
Great job. Now let us find that missing flash drive.
Oh, it was under the eraser and the pencil case the whole time.
Excellent. The flash drive attended the presentation from inside your bag.
Before the recap, here is the real-life habit behind the story.
Keep important school files in 2 places, such as a flash drive and a trusted online account.
Open both copies before presentation day and check under the eraser too.
Today's recap.
Recap today's words and phrases. Let's review flash drive. It means a small device that stores files.
Next, attachment. It means a file sent with an email.
Next, backup. It means an extra copy kept safe.
Next, look for means try to find something.
Next, log in. It means enter your account.
Next, figure out means find the answer by thinking.
Next, work out. It means end with a good result.
Finally, better safe than sorry. It means be careful now instead of regretting it later. Your turn without looking. Name one backup you could make today.
Review today's video, words, and phrases in the EnglishUp learning app at EnglishUp.cc and keep practicing tomorrow.
Keep learning, keep reviewing. See you next time. Bye.